have cracked the code. This is the exact system the top coaches, consultants, and business owners are using to generate consistent sales. And yes, if you're just starting or you're stuck and you're grinding and you're looking for a better system that would help you generate more leads and sales, this video is for you, because in this video, I have cracked the code. I did some reverse engineering, funnel hacking of these top coaches and everything they do to help them generate consistent leads and sales. I'm going to be sharing it with you. And I'm broken it down into 5 major pillars. I'm going to be sharing with you step by step of what they do, how they get the result, and how you can do the same in your business. So stick around with me. Let's go right into it. I was at the Scottish Business Conference and this was packed. This was the biggest business conference in Scotland and one of the biggest business conferences in the UK. And I was surrounded by the top names, you name it, Andy Harrington, Liv Conlon. Apologies for the name. I didn't pronounce that well, but Phil Graham, Paul McFadden, Richard Dixon, and so many amazing names. And each one of the speakers had their own unique framework. And I took my time to take a lot of notes. And not only did I take a lot of notes, I paid close attention, went into their funnel, and I finally cracked the code. I saw the exact system. And I broke it down into 5 pillars. And these are the 5 pillars that they use for their client acquisition system. The very first pillar that I noticed that all these top coaches and consultants were using at the Scottish Business Conference, because I went through everyone's funnel, is clarity. Each coach clearly understood the problem they were solving and who they were trying to help with that problem. Although some of them had overlapping offers and overlapping systems, but one thing was clear. Each one came boldly with a very strong brand, and they had clarity on their message and clarity on their audience and clarity on their offer. Because this is very important. I realized that for you to sell and sell consistently, you need to be clear on your message and your value proposition. What are you helping people with? What is that transformation that you're helping them with? Because with this clarity, it's easy for them to connect with your message. And I saw this across the board because I was paying close attention and trying to figure out what exactly they were doing and how they were doing it. And I realized that everyone that spoke on the stage, on the Scottish Business Conference stage, had clarity. And that led to pillar number 2. And pillar number 2 simply is having the right offer system. Yes, you need clarity. Beyond clarity, you must have the right offer. Every coach, they had the right offer, from productivity to increase in performance, to increase in sales, to possibly increase in marketing. Whatever they were selling, it was clear as daylight. They wanted to help you get better. And each one had a unique way of communicating their offer system to you. And it was just like everyone was rushing at them, trying to buy, connect, sign up for one free gift or the other from these coaches. And that's what you need. You need clarity, and you need to build the right offer system so you can sell to your ideal customers. Now, you want to know what pillar number 3 is? Pillar number 3 is your traffic engine. The purpose of coming to that conference was to generate leads, and they had very unique way of generating this traffic engine or this traffic system. And what was it? For a lot of them, they were giving out free lead magnets by you scanning a QR code. Now, imagine a room full of 500 people, and each one of those 500 people had their own problems. They had pain points. They needed someone to help them solve it. And you coming up to the stage with a clear message, with a clear offer, and then putting a QR code and telling people that, you know what, if you need help with this problem or challenge you're facing in your business, all you have to do is click here or scan this QR code to get a step-by-step guide. It could be an email list, a book, a short course, or even a free challenge that would help you solve that problem. And that's what everyone did. We brought out our phones and we scanned the QR code, and that is how we got into their funnel, by going in, getting in through that QR code. And that's a beautiful and amazing traffic engine. Now, not only that, some even took it further, but also integrating SMS and WhatsApp automation to this traffic engine to ensure that not only do you get the message, but it's personalized. And this way you don't forget them, because trust me, I'm sure you signed up for so many lead magnets that you've even forgotten that you've signed up to. But imagine having SMS and WhatsApp automation added to it. It's very difficult for you to forget that solution or that brand. Now, pillar number 4, and this helps you go deeper into getting your own growth engine, which is what all these coaches and consultants have built. Now, pillar number 4 is automation and systems. You have the right message through clarity. You have the right offer system. You've built the right traffic. Either you're running paid ads, you're speaking at an event, or you're creating content online. Now you need to take this audience or this traffic to your automation and systems. And this is where your backend automation comes in. Either you're using ClickFunnels for your sales funnel, or you're using Go High Level or any other system out there, but you need to automate everything. One interesting thing that I learned from Andy Harrington was Andy Harrington automates everything, including his live webinars. So those webinars that you see Andy Harrington, they're actually not live. They are 1, 2, 3, even 4 hours classes, but they're not live. And he shared that with us. He says he doesn't do them live. So you get in there, you sign up for it, you go through the training, and then there is a call to action. He pitches to you an opportunity to work closely with him or to be part of one of his programs. And this is fully automated. And that's one thing I realized. A lot of these top coaches and consultants are not only having the right message, having the right offer, or having systems, but they're automating at least 90% of their entire process. Because for them, they don't want to be stuck at the back end trying to respond to every message. So they build a growth engine that is fully automated and frees them up their time so that they can focus on what truly matters. So if you're building your business or you're building your own growth engine, remember this. You need to automate a large chunk of this so that it can free you up your time. And then you can do more things by closing more deals, collaborating with more people, or even spending time with family and friends. And this leads me to pillar number 5 that makes up your growth engine. And I saw this live at the event, how these guys are making sales consistently by building their growth engine. And pillar number 5 is leveraging AI at scale. Yes, they are using AI to automate their backend, to act as appointment setters, to follow reminders, to nurture leads, to even create content, script, and so much more. All the top coaches, consultants are using AI. They're using AI for voice agent, AI chatbot, and the list is endless. A lot of them have understood that, you know what, the best way for us to scale and scale without having a very big team or spending money hiring more people is by leveraging AI. So what they do now is they integrate AI into an existing system, and this helps them scale their business faster and even more efficient than ever before. And this is how they've put all this together to create their own growth engine. So the next time you sign up for a masterclass or you see them online in either of the speaking engagement, note this, they are using these 5 pillars to build themselves growth engines that predictably get them leads and sales without them breaking a sweat. So if you want to do the same, remember, you must have clarity on your message. You must have the right offer. You must have a traffic system, either organic or paid ads that will bring the right people to you. Once you have the right system, then you move over to automating everything right now, and then you go to AI. With the power of AI, you can have a fully beautiful and amazing big one-man business, or possibly just a 2-man team where you have a VA or you have a growth partner that is working with you. And then AI automating the entire process, having an AI appointment setter, having an AI closer, and the list is endless. This is how you scale your business and build the right growth engine. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and build your growth engine. And as always, if you need help, if you'd like us to build a growth engine for you, all you have to do is check the description, click the button, book a call, and my team will sit down with you to map out your entire system and help you integrate a growth engine into your business. Or if you're an agency and you need a growth partner, a growth and implementer to come into your agency and set it up for you, or work as a white label to set it up for your clients, then do the same thing. Book a call with us. We'll be happy to help you put that into your business or put that into your client business without them even knowing us, so that you can grow predictably and consistently. I'll see you at the next one. And before I go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and put in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. What part of the video really connected with you? I'll see you at the next one.